Should you add a security door to your house? I'm Dan, the storm door guy, and I get this question a lot. What's better, a storm door or a security door? You know, it really depends on where you live, what area. I think that security doors can give people a false sense of security. Case in point, I did a door for a firefighter probably 5 or 10 years ago, and when we were talking with each other, he said, you know, we went on a call where a gentleman had spent about $30,000 on decorative bars for his windows and doors and all of that, and the thieves, just to make a point, climbed on the roof, took a sawzall and cut a hole through his roof and got into the house. They didn't take anything. They just left a note on the counter that said, "What are you hiding?" And I thought, how crazy is that? Really? You're going to cut through some poor guy's roof to get in the house? I mean, that's gutsy. And where were the neighbors? What were they doing? Well, you know, they interviewed the neighbors and they said 4 guys in an unmarked white van pulled up. They got out with safety vests, hard hats, ladders. We figured they were just roofers. They climbed onto the roof, took the sawzall, cut a hole in the roof. We didn't know what they were doing. So anyway, you know, security doors and storm doors can give a false sense of security, but they can also add just a little bit. I mean, the goal is not to keep the thieves out. The goal is just to make the thieves move down to the next person's house, not yours. Hope that helps.